I feel like all link in bio pages are essentially the same, right? It's just one page with a list of buttons. Now it makes sense. It's not a full-on website. You don't want that because people who are going to your link in bio page are from Instagram or TikTok. So that information should be specific to that type of audience. But what if I told you there was a better type of link in bio page? You can add a YouTube video, a form, even an iframe, and any type of tracking code you want. Now this link in bio page is possible using ClickFunnels, and in this video I'll show you how to build one. Now I love building sales funnels, and I've been creating some high quality templates, and I've been putting them inside this Notion document, and you can actually grab this completely free. I actually just created this one. This one is called the Unlock Confidential Information Squeeze page. Now this comes from the KISS test squeeze page that Russell Brunson always talks about. And what's very unique about it is that it's very simple, and this is really just tailored around one specific quote-unquote secret that you would reveal after they fill out the form. Okay, so this is very copywriting focused. There clearly is no design, and they fill out this form and they'll go to the second page. Now this isn't a thank you page, okay? This is actually kind of like an article format where you unlock the secret to whatever it is you want to educate your audience on, right? So very, very unique, very simple. I built this today, and you can grab that, including all of these other sales funnels templates completely free. Click the link in my description. Now, I'll also give you access to my online reputation management software. I recently just launched this tool, and this tool is for local businesses and also coaches and consultants who want to collect their customers' testimonials and reviews and then show them off on their own sales pages and website. Okay, now my tool costs $97 for the single plan, but you can actually grab this completely free. So click the link in my description. Okay, so who would have thought you could build a link in bio page with ClickFunnels? I mean, it really makes sense because it's essentially a one-page website, right? And you can easily do that with ClickFunnels. Now, ClickFunnels calls them hero funnels. Not exactly sure why. I guess because the funnel is all about you. You are the main character, the hero of the story, of your story. So they call it a hero funnel. And they have tons of templates here. So if you want to preview any of them, just click on preview. And this is one example. There's also this one right here, another example. Now these look pretty simple, like any LinkTree tool, but I'll show you how to spruce this up. Okay, so if you like something, just click add to my account. And this is one of the link in bio sales funnels. So it's a two-step funnel. It could just be a one-step, but if you want to have a form on the first step, you can link it to the thank you page. Okay, now let me preview this really quickly for you, just so you know the basic layout of it. So bullets, or not bullets, but buttons, and then your social media icons. Now this is regular, but you want something better, and I'll show you how to build a better one. Okay, so I'm going to click on edit. Okay, now we are in the ClickFunnels drag and drop builder. Now, before I go further, I actually want to show you Russell Brunson's link in bio page. Now, this is actually ClickFunnels, okay? Now, this is what you can actually build using ClickFunnels, okay? So this is, you know, his picture, a little bio, links to all of his other social media, and he adds a complete form here to this particular product, links to his other products, images, another image, and all of these other sections where he's promoting different products that he's selling, right? Including this button right here, and then this last button right here. So much more advanced than the LinkTree link in bio pages. Okay, now let me show you how to build this, how to add a form and other really cool things. Okay, so this is the drag and drop builder. Now these are currently buttons, but let's just say we want to add a form. So I'm going to click on add element, and I want a 1-column row, and I want that to be at the top, the first one. So I'm going to move that here. And now I want to create a background that looks like this pink color. So I'm going to click on this gear icon. And for the background, I'm going to turn it on. And for the foreground, I'm going to click on Style Guide and click on that same color. And I'm going to reduce the margin for left and right. And it also needs those rounded corners. So I'm going to add that right there. And for, let's see, this green part, I'm going to click on the gear, and I'm going to reduce the padding on the sides, and I'm going to add a background so it's fully that pink color. Okay, there we go. And let me add the corner. So let me create a corner, choose the first style. Okay, right, so we kind of have what looks like the buttons right here. Now what we can do is add an image, right? Maybe we want to promote one of our products. We can add a logo. So I'm going to take a look at some images here. Let's just say we want to, maybe we are giving away this, product here. We can change the fit, maybe reduce the size just a little bit, and we can move it a little higher as well. Okay. And we need to add another element for the headline. So we can say something like, grab my free checklist. And we can bold that. And just below the headline, we can add a paragraph with some information and add the form part. Okay, so I saved a couple of elements. I like to kind of save things that I've built previously. So this is form field, the default form field, okay, the email, and the first name. So input type, first name. Okay, so there we go. And then of course, to finish off the form, we need the button. Okay, now we can't really see the button because it's the same color as the background. So I'm going to choose a different button style. I think this one looks nice. I'm going to make the full width enabled. And we are basically all set. Okay, so this is essentially a form. It's very simple, similar to Russell's form, right? So really cool. You cannot do this on LinkTree in this way. So ClickFunnels has so many more powerful things going for it. Now let me actually clone this, and let's just say we want to, maybe we can even add a YouTube video. Okay, now I'm gonna delete all of these elements. Actually, I'm gonna maybe delete this form, and I'm going to add an element here, and I'm going to click on video, and I want the video to be just below the headline. Okay, and so I'm gonna click into here, and I'm going to share one of my YouTube videos I created the other day. Okay, so we have this video. And for the white space above the headline, I want to make it less. Okay, so like that. So we have a YouTube video people can watch when they click from Instagram, right? So we have this. And you can even add any like HTML code or iframes. And when it comes to code, you can add Facebook pixels, Google Analytics. So if you go to settings and click on show code, you can add header code. So any type of HTML or JavaScript, you can add to your link in bio page. Now, if you want to add kind of like an iframe of sorts, you can do that as well. So just click on add element and type in HTML and then drag that wherever you want. And then click on open code editor. And then this is where you would place your code. So it can be Spotify or any other player. You can add that via the HTML JavaScript element right here. Now I'm going to save it, and I'm going to preview this for you guys. So this is the preview, right? So much better than your standard link in bio page from LinkTree. It's really designed according to what your brand is and truly what you want to offer your audience coming from Instagram or the other social media platforms. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. As you could see, you can do so many things with ClickFunnels. Now, if you want some really great sales funnels templates that I personally spent hours, blood, sweat, and tears building, you can grab them for free by clicking the link in my bio. You can grab all of these sales funnel templates, including the future ones that I build out on a weekly basis. So click the link in my description. And if you enjoyed this video, the only way you can let me know is by leaving a comment and liking this video, also subscribing to my channel. And if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thanks.